Welcome to this quick and simple guide on how to turn on vibration for Instagram direct messages. If you've been missing your DMs because your phone stays silent, this video will help you fix that in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. You'll find this on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the icon that looks like a gear. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it to open the list of all apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list and look for Instagram. When you see it, tap on it to open the app details. Here, you'll find different options related to Instagram, including storage, permissions, and notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This section controls how Instagram alerts you when something happens on your account. Inside the Notifications menu, look for notification categories. This is where you can adjust alerts for different types of Instagram activity, like likes, comments, and direct messages. From there, tap on the Instagram message option. This controls all notifications related to your direct messages. Once you're in, look for the Vibrate setting. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on. When the switch turns blue or green, vibration is now activated for your Instagram DMs. That's it, you're all set. From now on, whenever someone sends you a message on Instagram, your phone will vibrate, making sure you never miss an important chat again. If your phone still doesn't vibrate, double check that your device vibration setting itself is enabled in your general sound settings. Sometimes, notifications won't vibrate if the main vibration feature is turned off. With vibration turned on, you can stay connected without staring at your screen all the time. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how you stay on top of your messages. Thanks for watching.